Today we're gonna have our reveal, our soil reveal from a month ago. We placed some of these plums along with some of these dried leaves that fell from underneath the tree, and we placed them in our soil factory here, our bin. And today we're gonna have a reveal to see what became of them within a month. Okay, so let's have a go at it. Inside the bin, there was a cardboard placed on top, and as we see right now, some of it has been eaten by the bugs and slugs during the month. All right, so we take that out, and on top right away we see some bugs. All kind of bugs are in there that's eating away at the soil. All right, the soil looks pretty good, but right from the get-go, I'm seeing here that the seeds have not totally been composted yet. I can still see a lot of seeds, but the color of the soil is looking really good. It's getting dark, it's composting well. Seeds are usually harder to break down than food scraps. All right. Now if you look at the difference between this soil and that, you can see the vast difference in color. All right. So the further down we go, the darker the soil, the more humus there is in the soil, which is good. And this will continue to break down. So after a month, some more cardboard was on the inside. After a month, we can see here that we do have humus, and we can plant in this. We can use this to plant with. It's actually good compost as is right now. All right, so I'm happy. It's all nice and dark, rich soil to use for compost. Over time, the plum seeds will continue to deteriorate, putting more humus in the soil. Right, so there you have it, our 1 month reveal. Lovely soil.